Oh, the river. Right. That was already the tree. My God. My accent is making me cough.
Ngayon kasi,
Tinulungan mo yung bata.
kailangan.
Maybe kasi he's not supposed to be here.
Oh. Hindi dapat siya nakalagpas sa line na to. I almost can't breathe. Guys, bird. Bird. Bro. That is where the fuck is SM, man? Bro, there is SM. SM. Where is it? There is SM. Kids are having fun.
Don't touch, it's shizzy.
It will poop in my ass.
Ow.
The river, man. Let's go down. You gotta be extremely careful here. One step, you'll be tumbling down. You gotta jump. Ooh. It's under construction. Now you gotta lean forward just to come back up. That was hard.
Ngayon,
That was hard.
ano mo yung, ano mo yun?
Ah!
Guys,
Fuck off.
if you want to run dito sa harap namin, yan. Dito namin, kasi dito namin makita this area.
Can you guys even see the river? There is the river. I love the river. Pwede ako dito sa tabi mo.
Maybe dito ka na.
Ayoko. I thought it was the lepidodendron. What the?
Ang mangyayari na, kasama na siya doon.
What?
Magsasama na lang sila. Perfect na, perfect na human yan.
What the? Oh,
Wala na.
wait a minute. If I spot a plane, I am ending this video. That's it, I'm ending.